Roomgo Honest review. Look before you search for a rental property. Most people get shared housing platforms wrong. They assume listings are outdated or unreliable. The surprising truth about Roomgo is that it connects renters with verified roommates and available rooms quickly, and you won't believe how easy it is to find a compatible living situation. Here's how it works. Roomgo allows users to create profiles, search for rooms, and connect with potential roommates. Listings include detailed information about the property, rent, house rules, and photos. Advanced filters help match preferences like budget, location, and lifestyle. For example, a student moving to Manchester can filter by furnished rooms, proximity to campus, and preferred roommate habits. Most people get this wrong. They think online room searches are risky, but Roomgo emphasizes verified profiles and secure communication between users. Additional benefits include flexible lease options, messaging within the platform, and tips for creating a successful roommate match. Users praise Roomgo for its ease of use, detailed listings, and helpful support team. However, there are considerations. Availability depends on your city and moving date, and fees apply for premium features. Most people assume finding roommates online is unreliable. Roomgo focuses on verification and transparency to reduce risk. In conclusion, Roomgo is ideal for students, young professionals, or anyone seeking a safe, convenient, and flexible way to find a room and compatible roommates. Subscribe for more honest reviews of rental platforms.